Hey, what's up YouTube? Matthew here from Fiber Optics Productions on YouTube. Be sure to check out MatthewHKnight.com after this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to integrate your veil or veal, whichever you want to pronounce it. I don't really know the correct pronunciation for this, but anyway, long story short, I'm going to show you how to integrate it into Armitage. And luckily I know how to pronounce Armitage. But yeah, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to integrate it into Armitage, so you'll be able to do everything easier that way from within Armitage. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start up Armitage real quick, and to do it on Kali Linux, just type in Armitage. And you may need to start up the services on Kali Linux, so if you run into a problem where Armitage does not work, just check the description. Hopefully this is not a copy and paste from a different website, but it is you just open up a terminal, type in service and then space, and then the little thing here in the video, I'll put it right here. Here it is. Just type that in and then type these two commands in, and then from there you'll be able to run Armitage with no problems, hopefully. Alright, so we'll start an RPC server, yes. Alright, so now Armitage is going to try to connect to Metasploit, the Metasploit database on your Kali Linux machine. So just wait a few seconds. Depending on how fast your computer is will depend on how fast it figures out this information, so just give it a little bit of time. Here we go. Okay, so here's Armitage. Okay, so what you're going to do is, if you notice at the top left of your Armitage, there's an Armitage tab. If you click on Armitage real quick, and then it'll bring down a drop down. Hopefully Armitage hasn't changed at the time you're watching this video. If it has, I can't help you, or I'll do my best to try to help you. Armitage is always being updated to try to improve and help people with using it. So just look for scripts, and here's scripts right here. So if we click on scripts, it'll bring up a console down here at the bottom. We want to click load, so click the button that says load. Then we'll want to find the path to where our file is that we need to load, and it is a CAN file. It should be located in vel-evasion. So if we double click on this folder and then go to tools, double click on tools, and then click on what is this, Cortana, I think it's pronounced. It'll be in the description, and then here's our file that we need to open. So just click open, and then now we'll have our vel here. Now we might need to set a path to where the vel-evasion Python script is. So if you get a pop-up, like I'll show you real quick, it should pop up like this. You'll need to possibly replace the vel folder, just backspace, 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 backspace for the root, and it should look something like this here. And because depending on if you did like my previous video when I was installing and configuring it, the actual vel is stored in the root folder, and then the Python script that runs vel is in the I can't even pronounce it, but anyways, it's in that folder. So if you click OK, you should be good to go. And then we can just leave the scripts here. And if we click on vel here, and then we click generate, here we can generate our payloads rather than having to type out each command. We can actually just fill it in. If you double click on each one of these, double click, there's a pop-up box that should pop up. If it doesn't pop up for you, then you actually did not give the correct path to where the Python script is, the vel Python script. So just before we got to this part, that's what I was telling you need to do. You need to rename that. You need to take out the vel directory that's in front of root. Alright, so here we could specify the payload that we want to use, and we'll be getting into that into another video, but this was just showing you guys how to get vel integrated with Armitage. Hope this has helped you guys out, and if it has, Be sure to like this video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out Matthew each night after the end of this video for some of my other interesting content that I have on my website. And thanks again for watching.